I can't make the number 8. I can't do it tonight. It's too late. It's too late to make 8s. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I guess it's actually like day 8. I can't find 8. Oh, my hands have lipstick all over them. Oh my gosh. Oh well, you know what? It's really late at night. I don't care. I don't care about the lipstick on my hands. I don't care about anything. I don't even know why I'm making a video right now because I don't even know what's going on. But it's day 8, sort of, because I don't even know if it's going to be out till today or tomorrow, of box week. Of February 2018 box week. Sorry, this video is off to a really rough start. We're going to keep going though. We're going to struggle through this together. So really quick, if you're brand new to my channel and you're still watching this video, welcome. I'm Drew. This is normal here, just so you know. Whatever you're seeing, this is what you should expect to experience on a regular basis, and probably worse. Box week is the best week every single month. My YouTube channel is the one week that every single month that me and my subscribers spend every single day together for 1 week straight. Today is a bonus. It's actually day 8. I can't make the number 8. I can't do it tonight. It's too late. It's too late to make 8s. It's too late for 8. So tonight we're actually going to be unboxing a box subscription that I have had for like over a year. It's been like iffy. It's been one of those, either it's amazing or it just kind of sucks. Just keep it real with you. And today we're going to be unboxing Sephora Play. Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription. It is made obviously by Sephora, based on the name. Recently in the last few months, they started curating the boxes specifically to you, kind of similar like an Ipsy, where they do variations based off of like your hair, skin color, texture, all that kind of stuff. It's really cool. Also, I was supposed to say that if you're new to my channel and you want, you should subscribe. Do that, because I mean, if you're not already sold on this thing, just join up. Okay. Also, another thing that we've been doing this month, starting this actual month of box week, is that we have been putting together a giveaway box, basically a box of items that I've been getting from my various subscriptions that I would rather give away rather than keep and let somebody else enjoy. So this is the giveaway box so far. I added this in off camera just because it was a face mask and I was like, I want somebody to get it. There's a lot of face masks in here. There's a lot of stuff in there. All right, so back to tonight's video though. Back to business. Now that we're like over 2 minutes in with no actual content on this video. I'm here with my man, Mr. John Wayne. He's gonna help me open the box tonight, and I'm gonna cut the seal on this Sephora box, and we're gonna open up and see what we got going on here. Let's just get into it. Let's just see what's happening. All right, so inside on the top, there's always a little booklet here that tells you about all the items inside, and there's always a Sephora Play card. So this card is actually really awesome. You bring this into Sephora, you buy something, and you get 50 bonus points towards the rewards. It's really awesome and exciting. I'm not going to look at this though, because it's going to tell me all the items that are actually in tonight's box bag thing, and I want to be surprised. I want to be excited with all of you. Fresh on camera. Yeah, so every month they give you a little bag with everything. This is my bag. It says feel the love. Oh, look, it's a little heart. Now I just want to point out, I didn't receive this till today, so it feels like they're kind of like pushing like the feel the love, like Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day has come and gone. I'm just gonna say it. I don't know why and I'm so sorry. I'm throwing a lot of shade tonight, but I just can't help myself. I don't know why. I don't have anything against Sephora. I'm just like, it's too late to be filming. But I'm already doing it. We're already here. We're already too invested into this video. So here we go. All right, so this is the Feel the Love bag from Sephora. Let's open it up and let's see what we got here. All right. The first item I'm pulling out, oh shoot, it's a fragrance. Now see, y'all told me that they weren't going to be doing fragrances much anymore. We get different things. No, I got a fragrance still. If you're new here, you know that I'm not a fragrance person. I'm not a fan of the scents. It's very rare that I find a scent that I'm like, yes. This one is called Victor Rolf, and it's Flower Bomb. Can't wait to smell that. I'm not a big floral scents person. I don't know. Like if you are, like I don't know how you can do it, because I'm just like it's unpleasant to me. It may be pleasant. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I'm not a fan because it's Flower Bomb and I'm not a floral person. And as I said in a previous video, I'll never be putting fragrance samples inside of the giveaway box because like it's like a really big hassle to try and send perfume in the mail. I did it once. I'm not doing that again. The next item we have in the bag here, it is Drama Liquid Pencil. It is a Lancome eyeliner in the shade Brulee. I don't know what shade that is. Let's pull it out and see. Oh, it looks like it's a nice little brown tone. You know what? I actually am going to put this in the giveaway box, even though I have been collecting eyeliners. We don't have any eyeliner in the giveaway box, so we're going to be putting this Lancome Brulee eyeliner inside the giveaway box. Yes! Already first item inside. Giveaway box is growing. All right, the next item that we have is Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel. Okay, this is exciting. Peter Thomas Roth is a really big skincare brand, so I'm actually really excited to try this. I've been really into peels lately. As you know, because of my weight loss, I have been having skin issues, so I'm excited to try this. Peels seem to kind of help out a little bit with alleviating some of the texture issues I've been having on my skin. All right, the next item that we have is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Let's Go Crazy. Okay, so let's open this up and see what this looks like and see the color. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. It's like a nice pink color. Okay, so I'm not gonna open this and show the tip off only because this is too pretty for me to keep. I'm gonna give this away also, only because I have like millions of lipsticks and I actually want to, like, I think it looks really pretty, but I'm not even gonna open the top of it because I don't even want to like get anything on it because like it looks so beautiful. So that's also going in the giveaway box, is the NARS lip pencil. Giveaway box is growing right before our eyes. Why am I singing? I don't know. I'm already here. It's too late. We're doing it. All right. Next item that we have in here is Sephora Rouge Matte. This is a lipstick in the shade Rebel Chic. So obviously this is a lip related box. They are all about the kissies in this box. I am mad at them, but you know what I mean? Okay, so this is a Sephora lipstick. I'm going to open this. Oh, what is that? Look at that. It's damaged. It's damaged. They heard me throwing shade. They're like, we gonna mess up her lipstick. She ain't even gonna know. We already know she got something to say. What's up? We dabbed your lipstick. We were like, look at that lipstick. Boop. Oh my gosh. That's a little unsettling. Look at that. It's just like so not cute now. All right, I don't care. I'm swatching it. I'll swatch that icky spot onto my hand. All right, it's actually a very pretty color. I've really been into like the wine tones, the deeper tone lipsticks, like the more like burgundy tones, so I will keep that. I like it. Also, I swatched it, so of course I'm going to keep it, but still, and it was damaged. But, so we're keeping that. All right, and there's one last item in here. It is Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm Eye Cream. All right, so let's see what this feels like. I'm always big into eye creams. It doesn't have much of a scent to it. I'm actually thinking of giving this maybe to Helicopter Mom. She's been looking for a nice new eye cream. So this definitely feels like a little bit watery. Definitely more like glazy than I would expect for like an eye cream. I don't know. That's just my personal feedback. If you've used this cream, let me know how you like it. If you think that this is something that is actually really awesome. Belif is a really great brand of skincare products. So, I mean, there's that. All right, so that's actually everything I got inside of this box. The fragrance, I thought it was gone, I dropped it, is the Flower Bomb. They have bomb a lot in this box. It's lipsticks and bombs. This box is the bomb, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not even like a little bit sorry. Just who I am tonight. I don't know. So this is Victor Rolf Flower Bomb perfume, which I was not a fan of. We got the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm Cream, which is right there. I guess we have really dry eyes, and Helicopter Mom actually does, so she actually really love this. The Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel, which I'm really excited to try this. The Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick in Rebel Chic, which is right there, which was damaged. I'm just going to keep bringing it up. I'm going to be annoying and be like, this was damaged. And then, hold on, I'm trying to move everything here. I'm like trying to consolidate things and whatever. And then we also got the NARS lipstick here in the shade Let's Go Crazy, which we put in the giveaway box. And we also have the Drama Liquid Pencil from Lancome in Brulee, which is in the giveaway box. There's everything else in the giveaway box. It's growing. There's makeup brushes. There's face masks. There's creams. There's all kinds kinds of things. It's so exciting. And like I said, I'll probably be adding stuff to it throughout the month that I get like on little shopping trips here and there, just because I can't resist like adding to it, because I actually love doing giveaways and I'm really excited about it. Like this is like beyond exciting for me to do this, you guys. And like I said before, I don't actually know how the giveaway is going to work, except for I do know that you will need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel in order to win. So if you're not and you're still here, sorry, I don't know. So anyway, so this is, again, I guess the end of box week. We're still waiting on one more box to arrive. It's actually the Allure box, which apparently shipped yesterday, so hopefully it arrives before the end of the month, February. I don't know what's going on with them. But if it arrives tomorrow, I guess we'll have 9 consecutive days of box week, which is just crazy. If not, I will just film that when it arrives and do that video at that point. Otherwise, that is all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew. It is spelled the same way down below this video. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew on, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I am gonna like go to sleep because I'm tired and I look a fool and I'm acting a fool. All right, remember, it is too late for the number 8. All right, I'll talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Try it. Just try it.
Wow, I don't.
Oh, God.
Remember, she pulled me into this.
Oh, God.